Introducing MIA, a modular image analysis plugin for ImageJ. MIA provides a modular framework for assembling multidimensional image and object analysis workflows, whereby detected objects can be transformed, filtered, measured, related, and visualized. MIA has been designed with both workflow creators and end users in mind. For workflow creators, there's the editing view, which provides an environment in which to add and arrange the full collection of near 200 modules into workflows. These modules span operations from image processing to various object detection algorithms, options for relating and filtering those detected objects, and a collection of visualizations. On the other hand, for end users, there's the processing view, which can be configured by the workflow creator to display just a small subset of controls. For example, those required to run the analysis on new images, such as file selectors. Any controls can be easily added to processing view using the toggles from editing view. With this, it's straightforward to distribute analyses to other researchers who maybe aren't so familiar with image processing. MIA is batch processing enabled by default. To run an analysis on a folder of images is simply a case of selecting that folder as the input path. MIA will automatically detect and process all valid files, i.e. those matching specified file filters, and collect results in a single spreadsheet. Complex relationships between objects can be established using both parent-to-child links, i.e. one-to-many, as well as partnerships, which have a many-to-many relationship. These relationships underpin MIA's ability to track, cluster, and generally compare objects. For example, filtering objects with too few or too many child objects. Furthermore, MIA's functionality isn't limited to the 200 built-in modules. Integration with the SciJava scripting interface found in Fiji allows novel processing steps to be developed using a range of languages such as JavaScript, Python, and Groovy. It's also possible to develop entirely new modules by extending the core MIA framework with existing MIA extensions providing video loading and compatibility with deep learning tools such as Stardist. To learn more about MIA, please go to mianalysis.github.io or check back here for upcoming guides and tutorials.